Imagine needing to pay someone to come and knock on your window every morning to wake you up. Before the invention of alarm clocks, people in the 19th and early 20th centuries relied on knocker-uppers for their morning wake-up call. Armed with long sticks or even pea shooters, these human alarm clocks would roam the streets tapping on windows to rouse their clients from slumber. This peculiar profession was especially popular in industrial towns where getting to the factory on time was crucial. Knocker-uppers often knew their clients' schedules intimately, ensuring they were never late for a shift. The job was usually held by older men or women and could even be passed down through families. As curious as it sounds today, these human alarms were an essential part of life before the mechanical clock revolutionized our mornings. Imagine the streets echoing with gentle raps and knocks, a rhythmic symphony heralding the start of a new day, long before the buzz of alarms took